Hey everyone, I wanted to give a quick walkthrough for those that are interested in enabling direction epics for your stage, for your product stage. So this was a recent change that I made where you can now use the direction label on your epics in addition to issues, and they will show up on auto-generated pages, such as, I'm going to share my screen here just to give an example of this. The upcoming releases. So this list is auto-created for every single stage, and it buckets everything by the milestones. So you'll notice, you can watch down here, you can see these are all issues, issues. But the secure and defend stage have already opted into this new functionality. So if you'll notice down there in the bottom of the screen down here, it says epics. So we've got epics at the top here, and then we go into the issues. So this is live, and it's something available to any stage. It just looks like protect, formerly defend. It's actually a very recent name change, just so you're not confused, is using only epics. It is completely optional. The issues will continue to work as normal, but if you decide you want to opt in, this is how you can make that change. So we'll go to the GitLab, the www project. And we'll look at the files here. This is a code change because the changes are generated automatically. It's not something that you can do with just a simple, like a YAML or markdown. It is actually a code change. So we're in the www.gitlab.com directory. We need to go into the generators, and these are a few of these helper generators. So we're looking for direction. It's a pretty big file, but if you look, it's about halfway down. You're looking for this right here. So all you have to do is add your stage. So grab your stage name, lowercase, and then add another line down here to the bottom and set it equal to true. And this will opt it in automatically. So the next time the handbook page is build and the direction page is build, anything that you have that is an epic tagged with direction that fits in one of the upcoming milestones will end up on this page. Just to give a sense of what this is doing, so this is the upcoming releases page itself. So this is the template that when the build runs actually creates the rest of the content. So you notice there's a little bit of content here, but then this is it right here. So this direction variable, this is what pulls everything in. And so by opting into the change, any place you see something like this, you can actually use these includes as a stage specific thing as well for your individual stage direction pages. We're using this on secure, for instance. All of these places will automatically pick up the changes. So there's really nothing you have to do other than make this tiny little edit. In fact, let me go ahead and just walk through how you could do this all in the web IDE. And so we'll scroll back down to the array. And let's say that I wanted to put the configure stage in. I won't actually commit the change, but you could just include epics, configure, and then that's it. That's all you need to do. We would go ahead and commit that change. Make sure when you have the MR, you can always double check that in the review app. I would recommend coming to this upcoming releases page again in the review app, and just make sure that if you don't have any direction epics, there's not going to be anything changed. So you might want to put one in there just to test, so you've got something that it can pull down live. But yeah, that's all there is to it. Hope you found this was helpful. And of course, if you would like any assistance, I'm always happy to help. Enjoy.